Insurance for cattle farm. Hello, Assalamu Alaikum guys, I'm back with another new video. Don't go anywhere, student with us. So today I will show you how to make cow farm insurance. How to apply cow farm insurance. How to apply cow farm insurance in USA. Insurance in business farm equipment insurance. Cattle farm and ranch insurance market specialty. Click on it. Markel insurance for cattle farm and ranches. This is really good. So go below, make a screenshot. Markel specialty as a cattle farm and ranch insurance can provide the coverage you need. With over 50 years of experience writing livestock insurance, we understand the risks and realities cattle farm and ranch owner like you are exposed to. As a cattle rancher, you need to cover your home, branch, outbuildings, equipments, and more. Markel specialty and cattle farm and ranch coverage provide a affordable, customizable insurance protection for your everyday lifestyle and business, and by combining loyalty and poverty in your cattle farm and ranch policy, you can save money and get the needed protection for both in one policy. It is really good. Why do I need insurance for my cattle farm and ranch? It is critical to have insurance protection against claim you may experience when managing your farm or ranch business. Unfortunately, many insurance don't fully understand the in and out of the cattle business, which means your current policy may be insufficient. Markel specialty was livestock specialist who can help create customized insurance solution to meet your needs. We can provide loyalty medical payments along with your property coverage for your home, stable equipments, vehicle, valueless, and more, all in one policy. Don't wait until you file a claim to find out if you have a proper insurance protection for your cattle farm or ranch. Get a quote today. Click on it. So ready to get a quote for your insurance. Get started clicking on the download application button below. The application is PDF format. There are Adobe Reader is required to complete and submit the application online. Most browsers have their one PDF where you may have to download, save, and the open and Adobe write for the online flexible field and submit button function to work. Should you have a difficult printing on opening our form online, please save the form to your desktop. Select save as a save link as right clicking on the hyperlink to desired form and the open complete policy locally using Adobe AutoCAD. Contact Markable specially directly +1 800 842 5017 should you have any issue and need hard copy, email, fix or mail. So click on it, download. Let's see the download. Contact, here also contact name, email number, mobile number, zip code, like this. So business insurance coverage, many available here. Horse and farm, medical, professional insurance, even motorcycle, resource liability for agent. Contact with them. This form is for cattle insurance, cattle farm insurance form. So we will put it and later we will send it for them. And before we fill the form, we should check out their company. File a claim, pay my bill, like that. Let's see. File a claim. Please provide the following information to submit your inquiry or notice of claim. Good. And then another also, pay my bill. My account. With our online account portal, you can manage your account 24 hours a day, 27 days a week. View policy documents and download prove your insurance. Make payments, sign up automatic payments, save time and keep your policy current. Careers. This is really Merkel good insurance company. Our mission, we are a mission to build. This is good. Go below. Home. So this is my video for you, how to make it the cattle insurance, cattle farm insurance. So bye bye today. If you like my video, don't hit the put like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.
Sorry, it's DJ.